How to create animated resume or portfolios in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. As you can see on the screen, I've already launched the Canva application. So what you simply need to do is search for the templates over here. It's one of the easiest way to get your work done in an efficient way. So let's search for animated resume for now. Now as we search for it, we'll be able to see various options. So here you can see there are different options over here. So you can select whichever is more convenient and relevant to your particular profile. So you can simply select on it and you can make necessary edits. So for example, if I select on this particular one, you can simply edit your documents, your details, information over here. You can simply change the picture, replace the picture with your own, or you can simply remove it if you want. So if you want to remove it, you can simply tap on the picture and then simply select on the delete option. So let's just tap on the delete option available over here. So I'm going to tap on delete, and as we tap on delete, it will be deleted from the screen. So you can simply tap on delete the grid itself. Then here you can simply change your name. So you can simply just edit your name as well. So let's change the name over here. You can change your details. You can just customize all your details over here, and then you'll be able to have created your animated resume in Canva. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.